guys, I have a really quick video for you today. I am working on my spring journal, and I wanted to make a few hidden paper clips to go on the tops of the pages. So there are plenty of videos out there how to do this. I'm not reinventing the wheel here. I'm just doing it what I find to be a quick and easy way to do it. I thought I'd turn the camera on and let you see how I do that. So I take an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, and I cut them down into strips. Mine are 1 3/4 inches. You can cut them into whatever length you want them to be. And you want to fold them in half and leave one side about 1/4 inch longer than the other. Okay? Then we want to take that longer piece and fold it up till it's about 1/4 inch above that center fold. And then you want to bring up the other edge to meet the top. Okay? So the shorter piece would be at the back of our hidden paper clip, and the longer piece would be the front. So what we're going to do now is round the corners, and I've got one here that I've already rounded. This one I put my decorations on upside down, so I just simply refolded it. You're never going to see that. Okay, so this is the right way up, and let's go ahead and decorate. Again, I'm using rub-ons. You can use stickers. You can decorate. You can collage it. Whatever makes you happy. And I don't know where these rub-ons came from. They're not the best. I just found them in my drawer. So I'm going to let that be my front. This is my back, and I'm going to put a butterfly right here. And some flowers down here. So let me get the butterfly on first. Okay, and I'm going to ink these edges. A little bit easier to do before you glue everything down. Let's get our paper clip. And you want the long side of the paper clip facing towards your front. Center that, and then we're going to glue that down. Make sure you put plenty of glue around the paper clip. And if you want, you can put tape over that. And I would highly recommend doing that if you're using thinner paper, because the paper clip bump will show through the paper. This is kind of thick. It's going to show through a little bit, but not all that much. So glue that down. Make sure your edges are lined up. Give that a little press. Let's turn it over and glue this side. And I'm using Fabri-Tac for this. And I'm going to clamp this down. Give this a chance to take hold. And on this side, I'm going to put a little bit of lace. It's looking really good. Let's give this a trim. All right, guys. And there you have it. I think these are really pretty. And they're so quick to make. And they're going to look beautiful in my journal. Guys, thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I hope you got some inspiration from this and you'll give it a try. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.